So I think we should start now. So let's get started with our webinar. So a very good evening to you all. Welcome to today's session of Optimizory products that will exponentially impact the business. So I would first like to thank you all for joining with us in the webinar. So let us begin with the introduction of me and my company first. So I am Shivam Sharma, the sales executive at Optimizory. I am serving as the sales executive and I am looking after the sales in Optimizory. I have done my master's in business administration in IT and international business. So we are the software development company based in India, and we do develop plugins for Atlassian. So since we have started our operations in 2009, we have developed four products since then, and these four products are being efficiently used by the 20 plus industries around the world. And these industries are includes automobile industry, aviation industry, banking industry, and many other industries as well. So we are having 30 plus partners with us as well. And currently we are having our operations in 50 plus countries all over the world. And we are having 1,000 plus trusted customer base with us, which includes Airbus, Tesla, Rolex, Samsung, Ericsson, and many other companies as well. So this is a kind of snapshot of Optimizory. So now let's move to our roadmap, the journey that we have covered till now. So as we have started in 2009 as a bootstrap startup, since then we have launched the products one by one. The first product that we have launched is the RMSys in 2010 on server platforms. Then we have introduced the LXP or Atlassian server in 2012. Then we have added the DC and the cloud support for LXP and RMSys both in 2018. Then additionally, we have launched the various API testing tool and also the Pact Cloud for managing contracts. And as of now, we are having a plugins on Monday.com project management tool, and we are their solution partner as well. So this is about our journey that we have covered till now. So now let's focus on the key goals that Optimizer is having. So the key goals that we have is that we are very customer centric. We try to focus on our customers only, and the customer is the first major priority for us. So now moving on to the innovation part. The innovation is totally based on the inputs and the feedbacks provided by the customers, and we try to innovate our products as much as we can do, and we try to do our best in this part. And we focus on the systematic problems also. So this is the key goals of Optimizely that we have. So now let's look at the portfolio of Optimizely. So as I have told you, we have four products in our portfolio. So the first one is the RMSys, Requirement Management Tool for the Jira software. Then the second one is the Links Explorer for better traceability and hierarchy. Then it is for Jira and Monday.com also. Then we are having Pact Contract Management for managing contracts seamlessly, and it is for the Jira. Then the fourth one is the VREST API testing tool, which is a separate tool other than Atlassian, and it consists of everything that API testing tool needs. Now, let's focus on the major project that we are going to talk about today, which is the Links Explorer, Traceability, and Hierarchy. So let's talk about first what LXP is and what it does. So LXP is a plugin for Jira, as I have told you. So what it does, so LXP deals with the Jira issues only, but how it is dealing with it and how it can be beneficial for you and your team. So these are the things that I'm going to talk about today. And I'm also going to talk about the traceability part, how you can get the better traceability through LXP and how you can generate the traceability reports through the Links Explorer. So before that, there is a term traceability. So let's understand this first. So as the term traceability suggests that keeping a track and the record an item at a single place, so you can easily track it or analyze it. So that is what traceability means. So let's have a look at the unique features that LXP is having. So the LXP is having the seamless integration with the Jira software. Then you can quickly navigate through the LXP, quickly navigate in the LXP issues that are interacting with each other. Then we are having the depth view of the issues. You can get into the depth of it as much as you want. Then you can generate traceability reports through LXP. So these are the features that unique features that LXP is having. So now let's assume a scenario here where you can understand it better. So let's suppose you are having a feature request, or suppose you are having an issue from your customer or client from Jira Service Desk. So in order to complete the request or in order to resolve the issue, you need to follow some steps, and these steps includes like first we have to create Epic, then you will create some stories in it. Then after that, in the stories, you will create particular issues that you may face or you need to resolve. Then these issues are interlinked with some other issues. Then these issues, interlinked issues, may be called child issues as well. Then after the completion of this whole process, uh, the feature request or the issue may be completed. And this is a very long process, not a short one. You may be having the 100 number of issues in a project. So let's understand it better with a demo board. I have created a demo board here where you can see the here I have created three epics, which include some demo issues or stories. So as I have created a epic here, redesign user interface. So in this epic, I have created three stories here, which are under progress, which can be easily seen here. And if I need to get the more depth of it, the epic, I need to see the create stories and their description as well. I need to get into depth of it. So I will create it in another tab. So as I have opened here another tab, I can see here is the description and the linked issues, child stories, which is easily visible here. So what I can do here is I can just simply open the preview of here if I need to get more depth of the issue or more information of the story or the issue. So as I have opened the preview, what I can see here is I can see the linked issues with that particular story. But if I need to check the update and the comments on that particular issue, what I do, I will open it in another tab or open the preview for it in the same tab only. So when I have opened the same issue in the same tab, what I can see that here I have opened three multiple windows here or the three multiple tabs, which are overlapping each other and may not be seen properly. And what I am doing here is I am navigating through one tab to another tab only, and I am not getting a proper context of the issue. And I have lost the context of the primary issue that I've opened, which is the this Act 42. That's the primary issue that we have. So I have lost the context of the primary issue, and what I have done is I have opened three tab only here. So if I need to get more into depth of it, what I will do, I will open the preview for the same here as well, or maybe I will open it in another tab. So that's the traditional method that we are doing right now. So what we can do with the LXP here is, and this problem is only resolved by LXP, which is very easier task. So before telling about the solution of that problem, let me tell you about the installation part, how you can install the LXP in your Jira software. So for installation, you should go to the Jira UPM, Universal Plugin Manager, and it can be accessed from here and explore more app section. And in this section, you can just type the links explorer or LXP, then you will be able to see the plugin here. So as you can see the plugin here, you just need to do few clicks and you can easily install it on Jira board. And it is the easiest installation that I have ever seen till now. And you can easily install it from here. And the plus point is here is that you can start a free trial from here only for 30 days. And you can check the productivity of the product and check the compatibility also. It is compatible for your project or not. So as I have started installation, it will be installed in just few seconds, and you can, as you can see that here is the pop-up links explorer is already installed now. So now let's get back to our issue that we are on. Meanwhile, you can ask your queries in the chat box. I will answer it later. So that's the issue that we are talking about. So what we are doing traditionally here is we are seeing this epic and navigating through one to another tab to check the updates and the descriptions of and the priority levels of the issues. So what we can do with the LXP here is we can just scroll down and go through the links explorer view. And here what we can see is that's the linked issues that we are seeing above. But what magic that LXP creates here is you can simply see the hierarchy of the issues by simply tapping here. And by just tapping here, you can just see the linked issues and their priority levels. You can simply navigate from here also by opening it in another tab if you want to make some changes in that. So you will getting better traceability here than the previous one, because in the previous one you are just doing navigation through one to another and you are doing many clicks that is not feasible and you will not do in a big project because there are thousands and hundreds of number of issues that are present in a project. So for that, LXP is the best tool that we are providing you. So here you can simply see the hierarchy of the issues, and that is not for a single issue. You can see for any issues that are interlinked with each other, and you can easily customize it also by the priority level and the issue link type. You can easily see the if you want to see the parent level issues here, you can just simply tap it. You can see parent level. Then if you need to see the blocked issue that is blocked by. You can just simply tap, and I think there is not an issue here. So child issues. So you can simply see here. So here is it. And if you want to export that page or report as a CSV file, you can export that too by clicking down here, and the reports is getting easier to install. So this is about the single issue view. So now let's move on to the traceability reports generation through the LXP. How you can do that. So for the traceability reports, you need to move to the app section of the LXP. Here it is. So here we will be getting the three types of view in the traceability reports. The first one is the issue type view, and the second one is link type view, and the third one is tree view. So you can select filters here. So as I am using priority level medium, I can use this filter and see the medium priority level issues here that are basically linked with the issues. So it is followed by issue, then story, then task, then the epic. So it is kind of a tabular format, and it can also customize here also by using issue card fields, table fields, what you want to see here, and what you don't want to see. So you can easily do that easily here. So as I want to see the story only, then I can simply select this. So I can see issue, then the story. Then if I want to see the task here, then I can select here. Then I can easily see the tasks that are linked with the issues. So this is about the issue type view. Then in the link type view, what you are getting here is the tabular format here is also present, but in another format, like the first is issue, then parent, then followed by child issues, then blocks. So it can also be customized with the previous issue type view, but it is a bit different with the issue type view by customizing by uh, uh, filtering it through the issue level, then the parent, then other followed by blocks. So you can also edit through jQuery editor and the filter type. So this is about the link type view, and it can also be exported here as a CSV format. Then it is getting the seamless integration with the light theme and the dark theme that is providing by the Jira. You can easily integrate that here. Then you are getting the tree view. So what you have seen previously is the single issue. In the single issue, you are seeing the hierarchy view of the single type of issue. Single issue, you are getting the hierarchy. But here you are getting the hierarchy of the multiple issues and all the issues that are present in a board. So that's a good thing. You want to see the hierarchy of every issue, you can easily see here, and you can navigate from here also. So if you want to see the issue of fact 87, you can easily see that here. And that is the major thing that Alex will provide, and that is the feature which can make your big problem into a little one, and it can easily solve all of your problems that can arise in the traceability part in a project. So these all are the features that Alexa provides us. And I just wanted to say that additionally, that there is not any big installation required for the LXP. That's a plus point that we are having. And there is not any privacy concern with us also. We follow GDPR compliance and we don't store any data of yours all of the data is secured, and there is not any big configuration or not any single type of configuration required. You just need to do few clicks, and you can simply install it on board. Then we then that's a small plugin which can resolve almost every problem that can arise in a project. So these all are the features that Alex required, and these are these all are the points that are the conclusion of the Alex features. So if you have any question till now, you can ask me. I will be here to answer. You can ask your questions in the chat box also. So I think everything is clear for you now. You can also ask your questions on my mail ID later if you think and if there is anything which may be difficult for you. I can easily explain to another demonstration for you. Oh, great, Shubham. Thank you for your feedback. Thank you for your comment. So I will be waiting here for you till 5 minutes. Then we can wind up if you don't have any doubts. You can I will show you the marketplace section where you can easily search your products. So here you can see the all of our products and try or buy these products as well. So here is the buy section in our website. Here you can get the license of data center, cloud, and server as well. You can use it for free up to 10 users. Pasting the link for the marketplace. Yeah. I would like to thank you all for joining with us. So I think if you don't have any question, we can wind up this session and let's meet in another session with a new project. So thank you all for joining. Bye bye.